Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we'll be learning how to say I love you in a different language. In this case it's gonna be Swahili. So if you have a boyfriend, if you're a lover, learn how to say I love you in a different language. So let's dive in. Okay, so I love you in Swahili you say nakupenda. I love you so much, nakupenda sana. If you're saying to a large group of people, it's supposed to be in plural form. It's gonna be nawapenda. So I love you, nakupenda. I love you so much, nakupenda sana. Saying it to a large group of people, saying it to more than one person, it's nawapenda. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. If you wanna learn some more Swahili words and some more Swahili phrases, remember to click on that subscribe button. Give this video a like if you've learned something. If you didn't like it, it's okay to click on that dislike button, but leave feedback. Let me know on what you think about the video. Hope to see you next time for more interesting Swahili lessons. See ya.